Wow, Jack. Look at that ship. It is so big. It looks like a floating city.
It is, Lily. It is very big and very strong. It will be my home for 9 months.
9 months? That is too long, Daddy. I want you to stay here.
Oh, my sweet Mia. Don't be sad. I have something for you. Look at this. It is a little F-18 jet. It is just like the planes on my ship.
It is very shiny. Does it really fly?
In your imagination, it does. This is a promise plane. Remember my promise. I will come back.
Dad, can I have a promise too? I want to be brave like you.
Leo, you are already brave. Can you help Mom and Mia while I am away?
Yes, Captain. I will help Mom every day. I promise.
We will miss you at the dinner table, Jack. The house will be very quiet.
I will miss your cooking. But I will work hard and stay safe for all of you.
But the ocean is so large, Daddy. Will you get lost?
No, Mia. I have a map in my heart. Your faces are the stars. I will write letters and send videos. We will talk across the sea.
We will wait for you every day. Please, be careful in the sky.
That is the signal. I must go now. Goodbye, my angels. Be good. Be brave.
Be brave! Goodbye, Dad! We love you! Fly safe, Daddy! Don't forget your promise!
I never forget a promise. See you soon.
Whoosh! Look, Mom! My plane is flying to find Daddy!
That is a very fast plane, Mia. Daddy is probably working on the real one right now.
Mom, I remember the ship at the port. It was like a giant gray mountain on the water. How can Dad live inside that big piece of metal for so long?
That is a great question, Leo. You saw how huge it was. It looks like a wall of steel, but inside it is a floating city.
A city on the water? Does it have streets and cars?
It doesn't have cars, but it has long hallways. There are over 5,000 people living there.
5,000? Are there shops? Can Daddy buy me an ice cream there?
They have a big kitchen and a dining room. They even have a small store and a place to watch movies.
Does the ship have a library? Dad loves to read books before bed.
Yes, it does. It even has a gym where Dad can exercise to stay strong. It has everything a city needs.
But where does the ship go, Mom? Is it lost in the middle of the sea?
The ship goes where it is needed to protect people. It is very far away, but it is safe.
Is it loud there? I remember the big horn at the port.
Yes, it is very loud. The jet engines are like thunder. Daddy wears special earmuffs to protect his ears.
Does Daddy have a bed? I hope his bed is soft.
He has a small bed, Mia. And do you know what? He has a picture of us right next to it.
My Lego tower is like Dad's ship now. It is strong and tall. I want to be a pilot one day. want to land my plane on the floating city.
You are both very brave, just like your father. Now, who wants to help me make some pilot cookies? Wow! Look at the weather! The news says there is a very big storm in the Pacific Ocean.
Mom, look! Is that a ship? It looks so small in those big waves. Is that Daddy's ship? It looks scary, Mom. The water is jumping over the side.
Yes, that is the USS Abraham Lincoln. It is a very strong ship, Mia. The waves cannot hurt it.
Emergency drills are happening now. The pilots are flying in very difficult conditions tonight.
Look! A jet is taking off. There is fire coming from the back. It is so fast. I see a number on the tail. 102. Mom, that is Daddy's squadron. Daddy is in the sky right now.
You have sharp eyes, Mia. Yes, those are Daddy's friends. They are very brave.
But the sky is black, Mom. How can Dad see the ship? It is just a tiny light in the dark.
The ship has many bright lights, Leo, and Daddy has special computers to help him see.
The wind is so loud. Can the wind push his plane into the water?
No, sweetheart. Think of the planes as guardian angels. They are stronger than the wind.
I want to help him. Can we turn on the porch light? Maybe he can see our house.
That is a sweet idea, Leo. But Daddy is thousands of miles away.
I am scared, Mom. I want Daddy to come home right now. The ocean is too angry.
Listen to the rain, Mia. Every drop is a message from the sea. It says, the ship is safe.
I will stay awake all night. I will watch the TV until the storm stops.
No, my brave boy. We need to sleep. When we sleep, time goes faster.
My little plane is warm here. I hope Daddy's plane is warm too.
It is, Mia. Daddy is a hero, and heroes always find their way through the storm. Before we sleep, let's close our eyes. Let's send a wish to the ocean for Daddy.
Please protect our dad. Please make the storm stop and bring him home safely.
Amen. Now, sleep well, my brave little pilots. Daddy is safe in our hearts.
Cloud 1 to base. The storm is very heavy. I can't see the ship. Copy. Cloud 1. Stay at your altitude. The ship is 10 miles away. Wait! The plane is shaking. Something is wrong with the left engine. Oh no! Base! I am losing power! The left engine is out! I am falling! Jack! This is Buddy! I see smoke from your wing! You are going down fast! I can't move the stick! The plane is not listening to me! Jack, listen to my voice. Stay calm. Reset the power buttons now. I have a promise to keep. I promised Mia I would come back. Come on! Start! Start! Please, start! Jack, do you hear me? I lost him! His plane is gone! Cloud 1, respond. There is only static. We have lost his signal on the radar. No! Jack, please, talk to me. Don't leave us.
It is too quiet. We can only pray for him now.
Focus, Jack! Focus! Oh, one more time.
I can do this! Please, work! Don't stop now!
Yes. The engine is back. I have power. The plane is stable.
Yes! He made it! Cloud 1 is back on the screen!
Great job, Jack. Cloud 1, we have you on radar. You are clear to return. Follow Buddy back to the ship.
Thank you, Base. I am heading home. I am coming back to our ship.
Jack, you did it! I'm so happy to hear your voice. Let's go back to the ship now.
Thanks, buddy. I am coming home. I have a promise to keep for my family.
Happy birthday, my sweet Mia. Look, I have a very special surprise for you.
Thank you, Mom. But I only want one thing for my birthday. I want Daddy to come home. Don't be sad, Mia. Dad sent a secret gift. Mom, is it in that box?
Yes, Leo. Jack told me to keep this in his desk until today. Mia, open it.
What is this, Mom? It is small and shiny. Is it a toy?
It is a key to a secret message. Let's plug it into the computer.
Happy birthday, Mia. You are 5 years old today.
Yay!
I am so proud of you.
Daddy. Look, Mom. Daddy is talking to me. He looks so handsome.
I am sorry I am not there to eat cake with you. But look, I want to show you my floating city. This is my bunk. And look here, I have your drawings on my wall. I see your faces every night before I sleep.
Wow. He really kept our pictures. Look at the drawing of the dinosaur I made.
And wait, I have a friend to introduce to you. This is Mia's friend. He visits me every morning. He says happy birthday too.
The bird is funny. Hi, Mr. Bird. Thank you for visiting my daddy.
Now let's sing together. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you.
See, Mia? Daddy is very far away, but he is always with us.
I feel like he is giving me a big hug right now. This is the best birthday gift ever. Can we watch it again? I want to see the seagull one more time.
We can watch it as many times as you want. Daddy loves you both so much.
I love you too, Daddy. I will keep your hug in my heart until you come home.
Look, kids, there it is. The USS Abraham Lincoln is finally back.
It's so big, Mom. It's even bigger than I remember. Is Daddy on the top deck? I am waving the flag very high. I want Daddy to see us first.
Wow, look at all the sailors in their white uniforms. They are all standing in a line. It is beautiful.
I can't see him, Mom. There are too many people. Where is our hero? Wait! Look near the ramp. Someone is running. He has a green flight suit.
Lily! Leo! Mia! Over here! It's me! Dad is here! I'm finally here!
Daddy! Daddy! You're really here!
I thought...
I thought I was dreaming.
Oh, I missed you so much. I missed your faces, your laughs, everything.
You didn't get lost, Daddy. Your heart map worked.
It did, sweetheart. And look, you still have the Promise plane.
I kept it safe every day. It helped me be brave when it was raining. Dad, I was the man of the house. I helped Mom with the cookies and the cleaning.
I heard all about it in your letters, Leo. I am very proud of you. You are a strong young man.
Welcome home, Jack. 9 months was a very long time.
It was, Lily. The ocean was large and the ship was busy, but my heart was always here.
Was the ship the best city in the world, Daddy? You saw so many cool things.
The ship is a great machine, Mia. But this, the three of you, is the best city in the world for me.
Come on, everyone. Let's go home. I have your favorite dinner waiting on the table.
That is the best thing I have heard in 9 months.
Let's go home, family.
Hi, everyone. We hope you enjoyed our English lesson today. Did you like our story today?
If you did, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. It helps us make more stories for you.
Now, let's test your memory.
In the very first scene at the port, do you remember how long I was away from home?
Write your answer in the comments below. Also, where are you watching this video right now? Tell us your city or country.
We love reading your messages and learning about our students. Thank you for practicing your English with us today.
You are doing a great job. Keep practicing, and we will see you in our next story. Goodbye, everyone.